Hello everyone, I hope you are all feeling good. Just a few words before this demo. When I did this one, the Pouring Before Christmas number 71, and did the backdrop on this, I wasn't thinking about what I was going to do. The only thing I knew is that I wanted it to be green and pretty clean. So I just did this without thinking at all. And looking back, I realized that the effects that I got from this technique was really good. It's so 3D and interesting, so I decided I wanted to do a big one with this. This is the same color. My green is maybe slightly lighter than the previous, but otherwise it's the same. And this is on 60 x 60 centimeter canvas, and that is pretty large. So my frozen shoulder is still extremely painful from time to time, so I needed some help on this one. That's why I titled it It Takes Two. So I hope you like it. I am sorry I'm not commenting and responding very much right now, but one of the worst things to do with my frozen shoulder is to sit still and write. So I hope you can bear with me, and I'm sure I will be back pretty soon and stronger. So have a nice weekend to come, and hope you'll enjoy this. I can say this much, you could drop the black. That was really a waste of paint. And also I think my green should have been a bit darker, and Ingmar should maybe pour from a bit lower, because as you can see, the colors are blending a bit too much perhaps. But it's an interesting technique, so I'm going to try it again with, I think, maybe in blues. So we'll see. But okay, that's all for now. So take care and bye-bye.